Fred and Pip find themselves in a futuristic Forex trading command center, surrounded by glowing buttons and order panels. This looks like a spaceship. What are all these buttons? Fred asked excitedly. Welcome to your order panel. Let's gear you up to control how trades get placed, Pip said, grinning. Part 1. Market Order Now Mode. Pip slammed a big red button marked Buy Now. This is a market order. Click it and boom, your trade executes at the current price. Pip explained. Fred clicked the button and his price executed instantly, but moved slightly during execution. Fast, but not always precise, Fred observed. Right, it's instant, but subject to slippage, Pip explained. Part 2. Limit Order. Set and Wait. Pip typed in a price below the current level and set a limit buy order. With a limit order, you say, I'll buy only if price comes to me. Pip to you. Trading order types and introduction. With a limit order, you say, I'll buy only if price comes to me, Pip said informatively. Hey, it worked. I didn't have to stare at the screen, Fred exclaimed, surprised. Exactly. Great for planning, Pip confirmed. Wait, why buy higher? Fred asked, confused. A stop order lets you enter after price breaks a level. Perfect if you want confirmation it's moving upward, Pip explained. The price breaks through resistance and the buy stop triggers. Always use a stop loss. It exits your trade automatically if things go wrong, Pip advised. Limit the damage. Smart, Fred understood. Every pro trader uses it. Always protect your capital, Pip stated sternly. So I can choose when and how trades happen, Fred said confidently. Control the how, and you control the risk, Pip informed. Coming up next, how to read a chart.